Yikes! My wires are tingling. Have you ever seen your hair stand up before a storm? Some people say it means lightning is about to strike. But is that true, or just a silly myth? Let's find out. Before I tell you, I want you to think about, or maybe even discuss it with your friends or schoolmates. So, do you believe it's true, or do you think it's just a myth? I'll give you a hint. You might be shocked by the answer. Some people think if you're holding an umbrella or your hair goes poof, lightning will zap you instantly. But the truth is a little scarier and a lot more science-y. When a storm cloud moves above you, it fills the air with electricity. All those charges push and pull on things around you, even your hair. Your hair stands up because it's feeling the electric field, like invisible energy reaching down from the clouds. And here's the shocking part. If your hair is standing up, it means lightning could strike nearby. So what should you do? Number 1, crouch low. Make yourself a small target. Number 2, move away from trees or tall poles. Number 3, run indoors if you can. Never wait to see if lightning hits. Your hair is nature's warning sign. So this myth is true. Pretty hair-raising, huh? If your hair ever stands up in a storm, don't take a selfie. Take shelter. Hit like if you learned something today. And next time we'll bust a magnet myth. Do magnets stick to all metals? See you soon on STEM Spark Zone.